Hi, I'm Phyllis Harbinger of DCI Studio, and today we are coming to you from our client's pied-à-terre in Midtown East. I love this apartment. It's on the 31st floor and it's fabulous. And she hired us about a year and a half ago to do this space for her. And I want to just give you a nice tour. I'm amazed with these views. They were so incredibly inspiring. The light in this space is great. And that really was a jumping off point for us when we decided how to design the space. We wanted a cozy living area with very neutral palette and pops of color with pillows and different textural decor. I wanted to just zoom in a little bit on these incredible panels that we decided to use. They have a sparkle, they're hand embroidered and handmade in India. And they took months to come in, but they were so well worth the wait. There are other shades to give for privacy and glare control, but these really finish the space with a beautiful, beautiful detail. I love this John Richard piece that we did for carrying her video and audio equipment. It's hand painted and finished with a mirrored top. And this table is really one of the anchoring design elements of the space. It has almost like an crackling ice look to it. And it really has become a conversation piece for my client and her guests. Here, let's talk about the swivel. So we love these chairs. They're in this faux shearling fabric, and they can also act double duty at the dining room table. Because if you have more than 4 people, you can bring these at the head of the chair for host and hostess. And they really sit beautifully and they're the right height. Now, let's show you the dining area. So again, in a big open fishbowl space like this, we wanted to do something a little different. So we did this really beautiful elliptical table with 4 chairs, and they're sled based, so they're easy to pull in and out. And then we did an Arca lamp because I wanted something less traditional than your natural hanging pendant. And this way the table can actually move in and out, because when she's not entertaining, she tends to keep it a little further over to give her more clearance in the actual working kitchen part of the apartment. So, talk about a great swivel chair to give me 360-degree views. I can see the bedroom, the master principal suite, and I can look out on my views. Wouldn't you love to have coffee here in the morning to start your day, or a cocktail or a glass of wine at the end of the day to unwind? This is the perfect spot to do that in. Our client loves the color scheme that we selected in here in light lavenders with smoky grays. Lots of sparkle because she's a girly girl. Enjoy! Here we are in the guest bedroom at the pied-à-terre of my client in Midtown East. And I wanted to just show you this view. It is so spectacular. You see the East River, you see the sky-rising buildings, and it's just such a wonderful, inspirational place to get up in the morning. We chose a blue and white scheme for this particular bedroom. We did some yummy textures with faux fur and a cowhide rug, and then crisp white bedding with the dark blue contrast really works super well. Here, the little vignette of this Bungalow 5 dresser and mirror are really fantastic. And then we've got some objet to bring in splashes of silver and mirror and sparkle with our blue. So it's a great place for a guest to come. I would love to stay here, wouldn't you? So when you rent a new build apartment, you get luxury finishes if you're in this type of an apartment. And here at the Summit in Midtown East, we absolutely love the appointments that were made on these apartments. Porcelain marble look walls, we've got marble on the floor, all white bathroom with hints of gray and sparkle, and that's totally our client. So we didn't have to do much here to make it look beautiful. We decided to spend time on this fabulous floor mat, and it's got the dark blues, which is part of our color story in this apartment, and a little bit of a Lorex metallic threading in the sparkle. So I hope that you can see that when you have a great bathroom that's just very neutral, just adding a splash of color can do wonders. really hope that you've enjoyed this tour of my client's pied-à-terre. We are so thrilled to be able to work with such great clients that trust in our vision and love everything we select. So I hope that you enjoyed this experience, and I will see you soon. Ciao.